Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we are going to take a look at this 10-inch crescent adjustable wrench. Okay guys, first thing I'm going to tell you is this is extremely heavy duty. There's no rubber grips, there's no anything. This is like a solid steel tool. It is going to have a really nice mechanism for opening and closing. Works great. I do oil it every once in a while. You can see this has a lot of use on it. It is very beat up. I've used it to bang things. I've used it for all kinds of things. I did paint mine red, so that way if I leave it on the ground out working on a job site, I do not lose it. In the field, this is actually called a spud wrench, and it's because of this end right here. Where I use this the most is when I work on big steel buildings. And when I'm working on a big steel building and I'm trying to line up bolt holes and move that steel around so that I can run my bolts and nuts through on a bolt up type building, this, you can push it in there and you can move it around. Gives you a lot of leverage. A very great tool. So if you're going to be working on steel buildings or anything, this is an awesome tool to have. Okay, so there you go, guys. A very simple tool, but yet a very rugged tool that's going to last you a lifetime. So if you're going to go build any kind of building, especially a bolt-up steel building, be sure you get a spud wrench first. You will thank me later. Hope this helps. We will see you guys on the next one.